This tool can turn my long videos into the short clips, and after that I can repurpose them with the social medias like the Instagram, Shorts, Reels, TikTok or the Twitter. The best part, I also got the automated the subtitles with the captions and the hashtag here, and all the clips it has generated I can directly from its dashboard connect to the different social media accounts here and directly post of them. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a good tool with the help of you can turn your long videos into the multiple short clips and grow the 10x faster. With the help of this tool you can easily upload your video here. All you need your YouTube video link, or you can directly upload it. Once you do that, you can also connect your multiple social media accounts like the Facebook if you want to post them on those with the single dashboard with the single click. It has the Facebook connectivity for uploading the reels. It has the YouTube, it has the TikTok, it has the Instagram, Twitter and the LinkedIn. I will show you the glimpse how you can also directly from its dashboard share the clips here. Okay, so what you can do to get started with this platform, simply go to its dashboard here. Here it will ask you the link of that video you want to turn into the clips, or you can directly upload the file from your computer here. So let me copy the link of this video here, get back to the dashboard, click here, paste the link and click on the enter. Now it will start processing the video. It take around the 30 seconds to 1 minute to upload the video. Here you can select the quality, so based on the quality you want you can select. I will go with the standard. The quality output, it is going to depend how fast it will load and process the video. Okay, so right now it is uploading. Till then we can go to the dashboard and show you how I have created the for the video. I have converted the clips here. So this is the video right now. You can see this video on my YouTube channel around the 19 minutes, and here you can see I have turned it into the 8 short clips. Okay, so let me view the clips here. Right now you can see these are the clips, and on the left side we can view the clips. I can also change its layout. Right now it's in the vertical format. If I click here, it is on the horizontal format, and this is the original format. I can make it square, I can make it the rectangular here in the vertical format. Let's go with the reels and the short format that we are going to main use in this video here. So this is the video. By clicking it I can play it. So you can see it here. Right now this is the caption and this is the video. So this is the review video, that's why this is the crop. But if you are talking in front of the camera and you are the main center point of the view, then you can find yourself here on the center. So once the clips is generated, you can see on the right side we got the time stamp here, we got the caption, we got the description, and this is the some hashtags we can use it. So how you can just share on your different social media platform out of this single dashboard here. So first it will ask you to download the video here. You have to download. Let me show that. For example, this is the video I haven't downloaded and this social share button is not working, but this video I have downloaded, and if I click here on the social share you can see this is enabled. Now let me select any of these platforms. Let's go with the X, Twitter, and now straight out of this single platform I can publish it on the Twitter platform with the description here. Okay, so that's how you can use it. And now let me tell you, once you download the video, it's also going to save on your computer, but it's also going to create a folder with all the different formats already that video is turned into the. Okay, and there's one more extra feature and the menu available, that is your branding. Here you can select which kind of the caption you want. You want the original lines, you want the one line. This is for the position. I go with the auto. Then you can also upload a CTA button or the logo you want to appear in the end of the video. You can upload that here. You can change or select the font styling for the caption it is going to generate. You can do that. You can select the color. So this is basically the customizing or adding the branding colors here. Okay, so now let me talk about this tool. So this is the Keevi, and right now it's available on the Appsumo starting from the just $49. Yeah, you can get this amazing repurposing tool for the YouTube videos and then uploading on the multiple social media platform with the single click, single dashboard here in just $49 one-time payment here. You can check out this deal page. You can find the link in the description. And if I go to the plans and features, talk about it's the plan, because in the $49 you are going to get the 10 hours of the videos per month. Means you can upload up to 10 hours video. For example, this is the around 19 minutes video here I have uploaded. Okay, and now 19 minutes out of those 10 hours is going to be deducted. That's how its credit system works. Then in the tier 2 plan you will get the 25 hours, and if you want unlimited hours or the video limit, you have to go with the tier 4. You can see unlimited hours of video per month you can get here. Okay, and there's also a 60 days money back guarantee. If you are not happy with the Keevi here, you can just simply return it and your 100% money will be the return. So this is the really good tool if you want to repurpose and the resize and convert your YouTube long videos into the short clips, and after that directly post out on the different social media platforms like the Reels, Short, TikTok, or the Twitter or the LinkedIn. You can use the Keevi platform. So that's all for today's video I want to discuss and the review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to stay updated with the really good tools, SaaS tools, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care.